In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin elements on Wix. If you've ever wanted a button, logo, or call to action to stay visible as visitors scroll, pinning is the way to do it. It fixes an element to the screen so it doesn't move with the rest of the page content. Let's walk through it together, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way to help you get a clean, professional result. Start in the Wix editor and locate the element you want to keep in view. This could be a button, an image, a text box, or even a small decorative icon. Right-click that element to open its context menu. This is the fastest way to access placement and behavior options without digging through multiple side panels. From that menu, click Pin to Screen. The moment you do, you're telling Wix to detach the element from its section and anchor it to the visitor's viewport. In other words, it will stay put while everything else scrolls underneath. This is perfect for sticky contact buttons, quick navigation cues, or a floating promo. Next, select Set Position. A positioning panel will appear that lets you choose exactly where the element should live on the screen: top, bottom, corners, or centered. Plus, fine-tune its horizontal and vertical offsets. Think about both visibility and obstruction here. Corners are popular for small elements like chat or back-to-top buttons because they're accessible, but less likely to cover important content. If your design includes safe margins, align with those so the element feels intentional, not random. And if you see numeric X and Y fields, use them to dial in precise spacing for a pixel-perfect layout. Once the element is where you want it, close the panel. Closing confirms your settings and keeps the editor uncluttered so you can continue designing. At this point, the element is pinned and will stay visible during scroll on this page. Finally, click Highlight. This option visually outlines the pinned element, often with a colored frame, so you can quickly verify its placement and stacking order against other content. It's especially handy when you have multiple pinned items or when something feels off, but you're not sure what's overlapping. Toggle Highlight, scroll the page, and make sure your element remains readable, doesn't block navigation, and doesn't sit under headers or floating widgets. That's it. With a quick right-click, pin to screen, a precise set position, a close to lock it in, and a highlight to review, you've cleanly pinned your element the right way and kept your design looking sharp.